Welcome and what is up there, everybody? This is Casper Trader back here with another video today. And as you can see, today I'm doing another daily upload. I just got off the stream that I did about growing a YouTube channel and the possibilities of making money from YouTube. So if you'd like to check that out, I'll put the link in the description. But before you go and check that out, I really appreciate if you guys could stay and check this video out. See how today I lost around 1.7% of my portfolio, and how I'm planning to kind of balance that back out and start making my profits back how I was making this week. This week overall 5.19%. Can't argue that that's a bad return. And before we get into talking about how I'm going to trade next week, or what are my plans and what I'm holding over the weekend, I really appreciate if you guys could smash that like button below and subscribe to the YouTube channel if you guys have not yet before. Alright guys, so once you did that, feel free to check out the rest of the video. So as you can see, this week portfolio is up around 5%, which is pretty good gains. We lost a good amount today. I just tried to get my foot in the door, like I say I do often, with drip, and that didn't go that well. So right now, total of around let's say $3 lost today, around $3. And the stock that I mostly did trade today, and I'll show you guys my thoughts about SPY and TQQQ and how I'm planning to make money from that one. But if you guys stay to the end, you guys can check that out. But right now, I'm gonna be talking about drip and how what I'm planning to do with it. So drip right here, as you can see, it's down around 10% today. Actually, a total of around 10.5%, including after hours. And being the guy I am, I was like, man, gosh, which is the inverse of drip. Man, look at Gush. Let's put up some candlesticks. Look at Gush. It looks extremely overbought when it opened up today, right here. Man, it usually bounces down from here. I'm going to buy some shares and be high risk, high reward guy. So that's exactly what I did. You guessed it. Alright, so okay, show more. Yeah. So I did buy, okay, my first two shares I bought at 9.42 and then 9.41 is where I bought my shares. Right here are my first entry points, and then I'm like, oh crap, I saw this going down, so I was like, alright, let's buy another two shares. It looks like it found its bottom. It stabilized a bit and then tanked back down, and then I saw that it was actually at the lowest point possible, and gosh, the inverse of it was extremely overbought. If you look at the RSI indicator, it's like at, it is pretty overbought. It's like almost at 80, and it's looking to make its way back down because it's right at the complete resistance. Right now, wherever it is, the line is showing, it's right at the resistance, so it's going to bounce down from here. I can bet on that. So I was like, being the person I am, let's go high risk, high reward. Bam, I bought in 8 shares at the end of the day to get my position in, and I'm hoping for a gap up on Monday or Tuesday. I'm planning to take profits probably at around, let's see, I'd hope for around $10, but I'd still be happy at 9.60 or something like that. So that'd be a pretty nice profit margin on these stocks. I mean, my average cost, let's see, $8.91. So let's say it goes up to $10 like it did before. Let's just make it $10 flat. So it goes to $10. So that's all right. Let's be realistic here. Let's lower the chances even. I like to be a little more realistic. So let's say we make $1 only per share. That's a flipping $14 return, and in my portfolio right here, that would shoot me up like, okay, let's do math really quick, 7 or 8%. What? Yeah, so my portfolio is definitely going to shoot up if it goes in the direction I'm betting on, which I can almost guarantee, 90% guarantee that it's going to go in this direction using technical analysis. And yeah, that's it with drip. But now going on to TQQQ. You guys know I made some nice profits on TQQQ this week. It's mostly the cause of my gains today, this week, as well as the free stocks. And while we're at it, if anyone's looking to start on Robinhood, you guys can get a free share, and I will also receive a free share if you use my link in the description. So feel free to sign up to Robinhood, and you'll get a free stock. Like I got I think I already have like $20 worth of free stocks in my portfolio. So that's some pretty nice free money. It's free money. Okay, so let's just get back into it. So as you can see, TQQQ has been trending up like crazy, and I've been having the tendency to find like a nice little buying point. Let's go in TradeView because it's a bit better charts. Well, a lot better. No offense, Robinhood, you're still a cool platform. But right now, I sold my shares because it was pretty overbought. I think it was right around here on the RSI indicator. No, it was the day after it like crashed down a bit. So I sold my shares. I'm like, that's it. That's a nice 8% profit. I'll take it. So now we're here at this point right now where it could bounce down from here from a previous resistance and a previous support right here. But that's why I sold it. I sold it because I saw it was reaching the resistance and the RSI was extremely overbought. So what's the point of buying right now to get the little return that it usually goes? Let's say from here, let's say $50 where it was right here after it shot up, or like in the position where it's now, $50 to $52, and that's within like 2 weeks. 2 weeks of holding for $2, which is around 4%. No. We don't do that kind of stuff. So right here, we're gonna probably buy in more shares once it dips down, and bam, we're gonna profit off it like we did last time. 8% was the last time's return. So that was some nice profits, and yeah, I think that's a good idea, good plan, where to start, and that's just how I'm planning out my strategy right now. I'm not planning to do any options, even though it's super tempting seeing people making really nice money with options, but if you guys look at my overall thing, you guys can see this was swing trading. I was swing trading, all right, it was getting good, and then I made like 50% of my portfolio within 2 months, or whatever, however long this was. I think it was around 2 months, and then I'm like, ooh, I made money from options. I made $100 one day, and then I'm like, oh crap, nope, that's not how options were supposed to go. Nope. And then I'm like, oh crap, I'm done. So I decided to just restart $200 and make my way back up, and I got tempted again. I admit, I got tempted again. I tried options. Bam, I tanked my account by $50 from these options, but we're making our way back with swing trading, and I think I'm just going to stay with swing trading, and anyone who's going to be like, Casper, why don't you try options? Leave that for your own sake, because don't make me tempted to actually buy options, because that doesn't work out well for me. And I'm not really interested in learning that right now. First, I want to stick to what I learned. So that's going to be it for today's video, guys. I'm also holding a couple free shares right now, just having it in my portfolio. That's basically all about my stocks today. Thank you guys all for watching. If you guys have any comments, questions, or suggestions, put them in the comment section below. I read every single one of them. If you guys would like to see more videos, just smash that like button, subscribe to the YouTube channel. It really helps me out a ton. Thanks for watching, and I hope you guys all have a fantastic weekend. And we'll be doing a live stream later this weekend.